5.5, folks. There's a lot of them. They spared no expense on these. Oh, got some underneath here. Holy cow. Oh. Now I need the claw.
Oh, yeah.
Where's that new tool you bought?
Yeah, is it a picture of the cat claws? Find it? This little drawer above it.
There you go. Same one I got. I use it for everything.
Yeah, it'll work.
Oh. Go. What's holding that one in? There we go. It's just that clip.
Better?
Yeah, that opened it up. Easier to get at a lot of stuff.
Oh, I bet.
Also easy to get to the filler tube.
What?
I ain't gonna tell you.
Any rust?
Nope, I ain't gonna tell you. Because it'll cost money. I ain't gonna tell you.
Something structural?
Fuel related.
You got a leak?
Filler neck's leaking, but not bad. Just wet.
Right, but will that result in code?
I don't know. That's why I'm telling you. Oh. It ain't bad. Not bad enough to cause me concern. No, it's underneath.
Yeah, I just.
It's just wet. That's all it is.
Oh my golly. Yeah, it is. How long is that piece?
Long.
Is that all one length?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh, clear to here?
Yeah.
Wow.
You should know how to get to it. That would look hard to change if it ever has to happen. No. So, but it's not leaking, it's more seeping. If that's all it's did over all these years.
Hey, but what if the subframe's sitting in there?
What?
What if you got the knuckle, the subframe, and all that assembled?
Oh, that.
Okay. Maybe we better deal with it. Or we'll just drop the subframe again.
Oh. Yeah, it would be above the subframe.
Yeah, I think I remember it tucked up there.
Right now, if there was ever a time to change it, would be now.
Yeah. But then the next section, is that a rubber hose?
Yep.
What condition is that in?
Old,
How long is that?
swollen, and cracked where it's tightened. It's got a crack in it.
How long is that section of hose?
About that long.
Can you get to both ends of it?
Yeah.
So it can be replaced
It's
too?
just held in with hose clamps.
Okay.
But right where it's at the tank,
Yeah.
there's a crack in it.
Yeah.
And
So
it's rusty.
kind of a pay now or pay later kind of thing, isn't it?
Yeah, and it's rusty if that makes any difference. But if we take it off, probably not. How did they get the gas from one tab of tank to the next? Is there a suction tube or something inside the tank?
It wraps up and over the dry shaft?
Yeah.
Isn't that weird?
So when you fill it, you're filling this side, but how does the fuel get over to that side? When it pumps, how does it pump out through this fuel pump? That's my question.
Is the pump mounted in the middle and maybe draws from both sides?
I think it's on the passenger side here. So
Interesting.
it must have a pickup tube that goes to the other side, is all I can figure.
Gosh, how do they cast that inside a vacuum mold tank?
Oh, that's easy.
It is?
Yeah. It's blow molded, it ain't cast.
Okay.
They take, actually, I want to say it's not blow molded. It's probably, what do you call it? Rotocast.
Rotocast?
Yeah, they pour powder into the mold and then it spins the mold around and it blows air into it as it spins around.
Yeah.
And heats, and then it creates the tank.
No kidding.
Yep. I bet it's rotocast. It might be blow molded, but I'm gonna say that would be a more difficult process. Rotocast wouldn't be that hard because you pour the powder, the plastic powder in,
Yeah.
And you pour it in, set amount, and then it spins inside a large oven. The molds all spin around
No
and
kidding.
distribute the plastic evenly throughout everything the way it spins.
Sure.
And then it superheats it and it melts, it turns to liquid, they keep doing it, and then they pull the rotocast out,
Yeah?
and then while it's still spinning, they let it cool down to a certain point, and then they break the mold open, and then you got a tank.
You're kidding.
No. There's one in, Iowa Rotocast, up in Decorah. They have 3 or 4 huge machines that do rotocast
Wow.
tanks. You know, like all the Quick Stars and all those,
Yeah.
and all the Quick Trips, and that use those things that they fill up with ice
Yeah?
to have beverages. Rotocast makes those.
Oh, okay.
So,
There was a guy in Grandelia, you know, that over here about 2 miles out.
yeah.
Somehow, I don't know if he vacuum molded or what, plastic gas tanks. Anyway, he landed a Jeep contract. He was pumping plastic fuel tanks out of here like crazy.
Yeah.
So for quite a while, he was making the,
Oh, he was probably doing blow molding then.
probably, I guess.
I mean, you could do it either way, but I know Rotocast makes them too.
Wow.
Okay, at least I got a lot more access here.
Do you think your Lincoln dealer would be able to find that,
Oh, they'd have the assembly.
the fill tube and the clamps and the rubber hose?
Yeah. They'd be able to get it.
Thank you for watching MacT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Go production.
Remarkably, all the brake lines are in good shape.
Good. I thought those hoses looked pretty good, actually.
Yeah, all the brake lines are in great shape.
Yeah.
Just got to get my needle gun in here. Well, at least the wheel well comes out pretty good.
It won't get any easier than it is right now. You can pull it out.
No. And remarkably, up high, no rust. It's all down low. There's absolutely no rust up here.
That's crazy.
I'll touch the fender wells up a little bit on the inside. I'll probably just hit them with Cor-Seal, paint them on there nice and easy,
Yeah?
and just leave it at that. Won't even touch them with the machine because I figure that'll make it worse. But if I could get like a little brush in there and just sort of touch it up on the inside, then I think we'll be good. But we can get at needle gun for all this bubbled up stuff, hard to reach stuff. So, that's a bonus.